What do you like most about WWE?
I like the exciting matches and powerful performances.
Who is your favorite WWE superstar?
My favorite WWE superstar is John Cena because of his confidence and energy.
When do you usually watch WWE shows?
I usually watch WWE shows every weekend.
How do you feel when you watch a live WWE event?
I feel thrilled and full of excitement.
Why do you think WWE is popular all over the world?
I think it's popular because it combines sports and entertainment perfectly.
What does he enjoy most about WWE?
He enjoys the action and the dramatic storylines.
Which wrestler does she admire the most?
She admires Becky Lynch for her strength and bold personality.
How do they react when their favorite wrestler wins?
They cheer loudly and celebrate together.
What makes it different from other sports?
It mixes athletic skill with storytelling and entertainment.
Which WWE event do kids love the most?
Kids love WrestleMania because it's full of surprises.
What kind of matches does Roman Reigns usually win?
Roman Reigns usually wins main event matches with great power.
How does The Undertaker make his entrance special?
He walks slowly in the dark with chilling music and fog.
What do fans think about Brock Lesnar?
Fans think he's a beast because of his power and dominance.
Where do wrestlers train before joining WWE?
They train in wrestling schools and performance centers.
How does Seth Rollins entertain the audience?
He performs amazing moves and keeps high energy.
What makes Charlotte Flair a strong champion?
Her skills, attitude, and family legacy make her strong.
What kind of show does WWE Raw usually offer?
WWE Raw offers intense matches and long rivalries.
How do commentators make the matches more fun?
They describe every move and build excitement with emotion.
What do superstars do to stay in shape?
They train daily and follow strict diets.
How does a wrestler win a Royal Rumble match?
A wrestler wins by being the last person standing in the ring.
What does John Cena mean by never give up?
It means staying strong and fighting through every challenge.
What makes Rey Mysterio special among other wrestlers?
His high-flying moves and speed make him unique.
How do fans show their support for wrestlers?
Fans hold signs, chant names, and wear merchandise.
What happens when a superstar betrays his partner?
It starts a new rivalry and makes fans excited for revenge.
Why do tag team matches attract so many fans?
They show teamwork, strategy, and fast action.
How does Triple H inspire new wrestlers?
He trains and mentors them with his experience.
What kind of championship does Gunther hold?
He holds the Intercontinental Championship with pride.
How does Rhea Ripley dominate her opponents?
She uses strength, power moves, and confidence.
Why do people love watching WrestleMania?
It's the biggest event with legends, surprises, and epic matches.
How does Cody Rhodes connect with fans?
He shares emotional stories and fights with passion.
What makes The Rock's promos unforgettable?
His humor, confidence, and powerful words make them great.
How do referees keep control during matches?
They follow rules and stop illegal moves.
What role does the WWE champion play in the company?
The champion represents WWE and leads major storylines.
How do wrestlers prepare before entering the ring?
They stretch, focus mentally, and plan their moves.
What makes Edge a legendary superstar?
His comebacks and unforgettable rivalries make him legendary.
How do women's matches inspire young girls?
They show strength, courage, and equality.
Why do fans respect The Undertaker's career?
because he stayed loyal and gave decades of unforgettable moments.
What kind of moves does AJ Styles use?
He uses fast, technical, and high-flying moves.
How do the lights and music affect WWE shows?
They make every entrance dramatic and thrilling.
What makes the WWE Universe so special?
It's full of passionate fans from every country.
How do wrestlers create their ring personas?
They mix real personality with creative imagination.
Why do fans still love old WWE legends?
Because they created memories and iconic moments.
What makes Randy Orton's RKO so popular?
It's sudden, powerful, and unpredictable.
How do injuries change a wrestler's career?
They can slow progress but often make comebacks more inspiring.
What is the importance of WWE titles?
Titles show success, skill, and hard work.
How do storylines make matches more emotional?
They build tension and make fans care about outcomes.
What does the audience do during entrances?
They chant, cheer, and sing along to the theme music.
What happens when a wrestler retires?
They're honored and sometimes return for special appearances.
How do wrestlers travel for shows?
They travel around the world almost every week.
Why is the WWE Hall of Fame important?
It honors legends who built the company's legacy.
What makes the Money in the Bank match exciting?
The briefcase and the surprise cash-in moments thrill fans.
How does a heel make the crowd boo?
By cheating, mocking fans, and breaking rules.
What makes a babyface popular with the audience?
Their honesty, hard work, and fair play win hearts.
How does WWE use drama to tell stories?
It builds emotional rivalries and strong character arcs.
What is the role of managers in WWE?
They guide wrestlers and add drama with their speeches.
How does a new wrestler get noticed?
By showing talent, confidence, and a unique style.
What makes WWE SmackDown different from Raw?
SmackDown focuses more on storytelling and character development.
How does a superstar cut a promo effectively?
By speaking with emotion, energy, and eye contact.
What does a crowd chant do for the match?
It boosts energy and creates a fun atmosphere.
How do special guest appearances affect fans?
They surprise and excite the audience.
Why do some wrestlers wear masks?
To protect identity and create mystery.
What makes tag team chemistry important?
Good teamwork leads to better coordination and wins.
How do ring entrances show personality?
Each entrance reflects a wrestler's attitude and story.
What does main event mean in WWE?
It's the biggest and most important match of the night.
How do fans react to shocking betrayals?
They gasp, shout, and talk about it for weeks.
What makes a WWE crowd unforgettable?
Their loud chants and passionate reactions.
How do commentators describe finishing moves?
They shout with excitement and emotion.
What happens when two champions face each other?
It becomes a high-stakes and thrilling match.
Why do some wrestlers turn from hero to villain?
To refresh their character and surprise fans.
What kind of outfits do wrestlers wear?
They wear creative, flashy, and themed costumes.
How do fans remember their favorite matches?
Through emotions, moments, and dramatic finishes.
What makes WWE entrances iconic?
Music, lights, and personality make them memorable.
Why do people admire WWE legends?
For their hard work, charisma, and impact on wrestling.
What kind of events happen on pay-per-view?
Big rivalries, title matches, and shocking twists.
How does a superstar build fan loyalty?
by showing respect, consistency, and effort.
What makes a steel cage match intense?
The danger and high risk make it thrilling.
How does a crowd change the match atmosphere?
Their reactions can make a good match great,
Why do fans love underdog wrestlers?
because they fight with heart and never give up.
How do wrestlers handle fame and pressure?
They stay disciplined and focused on performance.
What makes a championship match special?
It decides the best and keeps fans on edge.
How does WWE mix reality with fiction?
It blends real athleticism with creative storytelling.
What kind of rivalries become legendary?
Ones that have emotion, history, and big moments.
How do wrestlers use social media?
They connect with fans and build their characters.
What makes crowd chants like, "This is awesome," powerful?
They show real excitement and appreciation.
How does the crowd influence the wrestlers?
Their cheers motivate them to perform better.
Why do WWE fans love dramatic returns?
Because they bring nostalgia and excitement.
How do superstars thank their fans?
They speak from the heart after matches.
What makes the WWE ring feel special?
It's where legends are made and dreams come true.
How do production effects enhance shows?
They add energy with lighting, smoke, and music.
Why do wrestlers respect their opponents?
Because it takes courage and skill to perform safely.
How do rivalries turn into friendships?
Respect grows after years of competition.
What makes the crowd chant for legends?
Love, memories, and respect for their legacy.